cross. A fire with cross. Oh my goodness. Okay. Pump this party. Extreme Gaming here. Welcome back to another Minecraft 3am. This is the part 3 of Minecraft 3am. I'm gonna go to the moon. This is an add-on. This add-on, and check, this is my skin. And let's go. Wear this suit, space suit. Okay. We're gonna put this. I gonna put this here. Again, this is the time. Check the time, is 3 a.m. So like 3 a.m. Okay, let's spawn it here. Let's go first in first person. Oh, let's go first in first person. No, we come back later if I already do the first person. Okay guys, I'm ready. We'll throw this and let's go to space later. This is 20 minutes to go at space, and wait until it goes to sky. I see you. I'll become back if I am now landing on the moon. I'll become back if I'm land already in the moon. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm landing now at I am now at the moon. I am landing now at the moon. Oh, this landing is too slow. And this is low gravity. And this is it's going down slowly. Okay, let's go back to first person. Let's go back to first person. I yes. Oh, Julian is just team. Everything is good there. I'll be later. I'll first talk to Julian Niger first. Okay guys, I'm back now because Julian Niger is wait a second. Because Julian Niger is telling me if I go to join a team. Okay, let's go back now. Wait, what's that? What's that? Hey, what's that? I did not make that. Oh, what's that? Oh, ano na? It's low gravity into space. Let's find a cross here. Okay, I'll become back if I already found the cross. Oh my god, what is this? A cross? I saw cross. Guys, zombie first. Oh my gosh, a cross. I found a cross. I see cross from the moon. Anything like, wait, I found another one. Shaped like cross. Gonna kill you, zombie. Okay, I'll become back later. Hey guys, I found another one. Okay, I gotta kill you. Wait, okay, I found something. One here. I found something here. Okay. Let's see. Here. Wait. Just slowly. Just gonna sneak. Oh, a head. Skeleton head. Take a few. Oh, a cross. A fire with cross. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm burning now. I need to get out of here. I gotta find my rocket. Where's my rocket now? Let's get out of here. I don't like. Let's go back to Earth. Okay, guys. I will be come back later if I found now. I lost my rocket, but I gonna find it now. Okay, guys. I found already my rocket now. Okay, let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. Come on, let's get out of here. Let's go back to Earth. There are many cross here. Let's go back to Earth. I want to go back to Earth now. Hey, run, hurry. Okay, guys. I want to go back to Earth now. I don't like here. It's so scary here. It's scary. I'm so scared. Later on 20 minutes. Ah, finally, I came back to Earth. It's very scary there. I'm scared. I'm very scared. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching to my video. I'm gonna make the part 3 of this. The part 3 is with no, I just okay. No. Part 4. The part 4 is add-on plane. Just leave a like, leave a comment, and please subscribe to my channel also. And bye and peace.